Hi everyone! Before we start, I think we should cover what we're going to be seeing throughout the course. So we're going to start with the big O notation. We're going to see what is time complexity and space complexity. So this is kind of a must for you to understand and also implement this idea in every other section, in every other topic that we will be covering throughout the course. Then we're just going to go into the data structures and algorithms. Okay, we're going to start with lists and arrays. Of course, this would be like a data structure that you are familiar with, but also we're going to be solving interview questions related with each topic in each section. Then we're going to move on to the stack, queue, and DAC, and then to the linked list, and then to the trees. In each section, again, we're going to understand the theory, we're going to do our own implementation, talk about big O notation, and then solve the interview questions related to this topic. Then we will move on to the tree traversal algorithms, and then to the graphs, and then to the searching algorithms, and of course the hash tables. Then we will finish our course with the sorting algorithms and also heap data structure. But again, as I said before, we will be using Python in order to cover all these topics. Again, you don't need Python if you know any programming language. You can understand the logic and implement it in your own way. But I think it would be a good idea for you to adapt to Python because it's a popular programming language and it's very easy to learn. And if you know about any programming language beforehand, it will be very easy for you to adapt yourself. So we have an optional section over here called Python refresher. It's at the end of the course since it's optional, and I really suggest for you to watch it and understand it. If you want, I really suggest just watch it right now before you go on to the big O notation, then come back and complete the course. But of course, if you know about Python at least a little bit, then you don't even need to watch it. Okay, so this is totally optional. So if you know about Python, just go into the big O notation and start the course. If you don't know about it, I suggest you go and take a look at the Python refresher course. If not, if you don't want it at all, you can just of course go to the big O notation and start the course and try to see if you're keeping up with this course, with the phase that we're just moving. If not, then again, go back to the Python refresher, learn about Python and come back. I really guarantee you that we're going to make it so simple, okay? Even the hardest problems, we're going to just solve them in a very simple way. So after you complete this course, you will be ready to take on challenges, improve yourself with additional questions, and just land a job, hopefully, in a company that you dream about, okay? So if you're ready, meet me in the next section.